Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and customer relationship management seamlessly integrate. Welcome to the reality of Google's Gemini AI merging with Salesforce. This power-packed combination offers a transformative experience, enhancing productivity and accelerating growth. Gemini AI, with its advanced algorithms, effortlessly sifts through data, providing valuable insights. Salesforce, renowned for its stellar CRM capabilities, harnesses these insights to create personalized customer experiences. The result? A dynamic synergy that revolutionizes business operations. From predictive analytics to automated workflows, this integration is the future of business strategy. So, whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, the Google Gemini AI and Salesforce integration is the game changer you've been waiting for. Remember, in the world of business, staying ahead is the key. And with Google Gemini AI and Salesforce,